It's the final box. Let's open it. We are on the final box of the year of Sanderson, which is themed Sanderson, or fan of Sanderson. So it's a pretty bittersweet moment to have the final box be opened, and it's also like end of the year. I can divulge into that and rant about that later, but for right now, let's open the Year of Sanderson final box. So the sticker says Sanderson. It has the Sanderson Dragonsteel logo on it, and it's dark like some of the other stickers. And the wit quote for today is, "There are still stories to tell." Okay, I immediately see a lot of things in here, including 2 pins, which is extremely exciting. So I'm gonna ignore this because that's the spoilers. Okay. Yay, Kelsier! Let me unwrap him as usual. We were so debating whether or not Kelsier was going to show up, but it's like he has to because he's one of the most favorited characters across the Sanderson franchise and fandom, and so Kelsier is from the Mistborn series. So cute. But there's another one in here, so let me look at that one. I knew it! I knew it was the final box, and I was like, I bet you Brandon made a pin of himself, and he absolutely did, and it's so cute. And he, of course, is number 0, and adorable, him stacked on top of all of the books with his Bridge 4 outfit. That's such a cute, it's so perfect. So awesome, 2 pins, super fun. Again, Sandara Tang is the artist. She's wonderful. Yeah, so exciting. I see socks, woven pair, just awesome. Air on the side of awesome. It's also funny because it's like awesome socks. So that's really, at least that's what I think of when I look at these. So super fun. I'm sure my husband will wear these. And then we've got a book with a really cool Sanderson Curiosities. Okay. Let me unwrap this guy and then... Long Chills and Case Dough, Sanderson. And it has a really neat, like, sci-fi... Is there anything in here? Oh, is it a whole book? Oh! A detective story. So it's just a teeny tiny little mystery story. How fun. A little extra book. Of course it is. Because Sanderson can't be stopped writing. That's so cool. Okay, the last one is a very nice, pretty Sanderson box. And I did cheat and just undid the plastic because I'm trying to save my battery. But it's a very pretty box. I'm very excited. Ooh. Ooh, is it a... Ooh, it's a notebook. Oh, I love it. Oh, so fun. Okay, so it says there are still stories to tell. And in the interior, I cannot think of what these called, but it's Bridge 4, Stormlight. What about the other side? Ooh, yes, the Mistborn series, basically his 2 most popular series. And then within, one side is bullet and one side is lined, and Rental Family, a world where robots are trying to resurrect humankind after they accidentally killed everyone. Oops, sorry about the robot apocalypse. Maybe these are writing prompts. I'm excited to read the cheat sheet, but oh, it's so pretty. Okay, let's read our final cheat sheet, which this cheat sheet is very special because on the back it says, "Thank you for joining us on this journey. Scan QR code for a special message from Brandon." So I'm assuming it's going to be kind of like the sneak peek year in review Brandon video that he always releases. So, or year in review, a year preview. So I'm very excited for that. But let's read the front. A twist ending. What would the year of Sanderson be without a surprise or two? Scan the QR code for a thank you from Brandon. A Sanderson Curiosity. Celebrate the finale of the year of Sanderson with this previously unpublished short story from Brandon's early days of writing. In the asterisk, it says, hardcover and free ebook will be available for all fans on Koloss Head Munching Day, December 19th, 2023. Writer's Notebook, featuring a note from Brandon, story prompts, and new end paper art by Randy Vargas. There are still stories to tell. Now it's your turn. Dragonsteel brand socks. Formal enough for dress shoes or casual enough for sandals, these socks are the epitome of versatility. Wear one, wear both, matched or not, but please don't use them as pasta strainers. Cosmere character pin. Reviving, thriving, and staying aliving. Straight from the mists of Luthadel and immortalized in enamel, here's pin number 12, Kelsier. And the secret bonus pin. 4 secret novels, 1 author, and the greatest fans on earth. As a final thank you gift for our full year of Sanderson backers, we're ending the Series 1 pin set where it all began. Presenting pin number 000. Brandon. Well, that's the end of the year of Sanderson. 12 amazing boxes filled with novelties and pins and books and just wonderful gifts for all of the fans of Sanderson. So thank you to Brandon and his team Dragonsteel for putting all of this together. I cannot even begin to fathom how difficult and crazy this was, but it's been awesome to be on the receiving end of such kind gifts. And I know that Brandon could not have done it without us either because of the Kickstarter. If any of you have been here from the beginning, I would love to know. Just comment down below with either like a sword emoji or a star emoji, just so that I know you have been here from the beginning and watching these Brandon Sanderson unboxings with me. And if you haven't, that's totally cool too. Yeah, so Nerdy Novelties I think will still be on this channel. It'll probably be a little less frequent than what it is now, just depending on what I'm trying to put together, but it's been really fun to just dedicate this year to focusing on the year of Sanderson. It's been really cool. But yeah, I would love to know what your favorite box theme was. Obviously the books are a really hard thing to beat just because we got 4 new books this year. It's so awesome. So yeah, but all of the gifts are so cool. I love the pins. I'm assembling, putting together kind of like a pin board so that we can put all the pins there. But yeah, it's just been a really fun year to do this. Again, it's kind of bittersweet, but also I can understand you can't keep up with this. I don't know how subscription companies do this. Anyway, but yeah, this also is probably going to be my final video of 2023. There's just a lot of personal things going on that I'm not gonna get into, at least for now. And that's just it's taking up my time. I do plan to talk about my favorite games of 2023, as well as maybe some more aesthetically pleasing games. I know that's why you guys usually come here, is to watch game content. But stay tuned for more art and nerdy and of course board game content with my channel, and I appreciate all of you for sticking around. Super appreciative to all you nerds, and yeah, I hope that you all have a wonderful holiday season, and I will see you in 2024.